Praveen Kumar Kesari, the magician of words whose satire contains both laughter and sting as well as the current of truth, writer, poet, lyricist and advocate, bringing many voices of one thought this time with a new satirical creation on the Right to Education Act, online rights offline. This is not just laughter but a siren of truth on the system. It will make you laugh and also force you to think, because the beginning of change is not with laughter but with truth. In India, laws are very interesting creatures, written on paper, nurtured by the Constitution. The Supreme Court endorsed the Right to Education Act 2009, and as soon as it was granted constitutional recognition, the government declared and celebrated that no child will be deprived of education anymore. Every school will have a management committee, but what kind of committee and what kind of parents will be there? The matter was so significant that it seemed as if rivers of knowledge would start flowing in every street. But what is the ground reality? Here, the condition is that parents cannot be found in the committee meetings, but the pen for issuing challenges by the school management is always available. Beneficiary children get fee relief. Yes, relief is heard about. In reality, relief is given to those who issue receipts. The system suddenly becomes divine as soon as verification is mentioned. Leave everything on God. Now the question is, where is transparency? The application process is very straightforward. First apply online, then after applying, make offline rounds and finally stand in line to realize that the system is still running on divine trust. Private schools, district officials, state education departments. Overall, the state of the right to education is just like a wedding where the procession has fully arrived, but the groom himself is missing. Committees were formed, papers were printed, laws were written, but the rights somehow got lost on the way. Private schools also come under the scope of the Act. The Ministry of Human Resources thinks about creating an online portal offering language options, primary Hindi, secondary English and other Indian languages just to decorate the list of options, but when the common man visits the portal, the result is the same. Look at the role of the district education officer. They seek information from private schools. The school replies that the staff is currently on leave and will come later. Letters are written for detailed answers and correspondence continues. Office files keep growing, but children's fees keep increasing at the same pace. The government says that both government and private schools should link their bank accounts. The system's condition is like a doctor writing a prescription but telling the medical store that there is no stock. The law exists on paper, but in ground reality this act feels like online right to education and offline children's rights.